Okay, I look like shit, but we've been working on the sewage thing for a while now. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. We've been here since 9 in the morning. Anyway, I'm just gonna start another project now. So still have all these pallets here, so I want to make a bench for the garden house. So I decided, just ignore this, I was listening to music, to put like 2 of these pallets, one on top of each other like this, then one of this one, because I have 2 of these special ones, this one and that one, and then put them all together, one next to each other like you see here, put some wheels under, and then on top of this maybe make some sides and maybe like a side table. But first I need to cut all these small edges because they are too big, and when I'm gonna attach the back I need to be able to screw it right here. That was my knee cracking. So these ones are in the way and this one is a bit too long, so I'm gonna have to cut that too. Let's start cutting.
Mucho tiempo más, no quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor.
Okay, so the big pieces are cut. Now I'm gonna screw those together. So I put them one on top of each other and I'm just gonna screw like this on both sides, and then I still need to think how I'm gonna screw this together. I filmed this part before, but I'm gonna film it again because I forgot to press record. Like I said, I forgot to film this part and I made a little drawing for you so you can understand what I did. I took 4 of these planks from the other pallets and I put them in between the upper and the bottom pallet like this, and then I put 2 screws of each to fix them in place. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the small pallets are under this, so I attached these 2 big pallets on top of it. I didn't attach it, I just put it there. And now I'm just gonna attach the upper pallet to the bottom one with these 2 planks. So this plank that you see here, it's from the upper pallet, and this plank that you see here is from the bottom one. So I'm just gonna screw this together, attach them, and I'm gonna do that with every plank. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that the bottom is all done, I have here 4 pallets. They're like the small, really bad ones that you can't take the needles out. And I'm planning to make armrests on both sides, but I'm gonna make them a bit thicker so you can put your drink too there. And I'm planning to cut this right above here and keep only this part, because I'm just gonna attach it on this part and the back. Yeah, my finger is black from the paint because I'm doing other stuff at the same time. But yeah, let's go ahead and cut this and then we will attach it later. This is how I want to attach them, but the other way around, because this is a flat surface, so that's gonna be up. But I still have these pieces from my Jack Daniel's table project, so I'm just gonna cut this in half and put like 1, 2, 3 in there, and on this side the same, so it has more support and it stays together. So I use this kind of things, one here and one there, just to like put them together. Okay, so let's do that. try to move all of this like 10 centimeters to this way, just because I didn't have space to attach this back. So I did that. I moved it, I attached those, and then in the middle I had to attach this part, just because these two, they weren't long enough. So I did that, and I had to attach like some in the middle, because I realized after that this palette that I used, it's smaller than the other ones, so it looks a bit weird, but when we put the cushions you won't see it anymore. And now on this side, where you will keep your hand, I bought some planks. Let me show you. These planks, I bought 2 of them because I want to make a chair too. So I'm gonna cut this to measure and put them on the back. So this one is 1.80 meters, and this part of here is like 85, but then it's a hole behind, like that. And then I'm just gonna make it in half 90 and push it all the way back. So now you have like a nice thing to put your hand on.
With the ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the tree.